Serve Robotics is an autonomous robot company that delivers food to people's homes with driverless robots, autonomous robots. I think it's a really cool company, and I've been covering it for a while and rooting for its success. I wanted to provide more details on the company here and its latest progress for investors that are interested in a company with really, really high upside if they continue executing as well as they have been. So during their most recently completed quarter, they deployed over 120 third-generation robots, which brings their total fleet size to over 400. Their goal is to get to over 2,000 by the end of the year, so they're really going to accelerate the pace of deployment in the back half of the year. They're working with such urgency that they're able to manufacture, deliver, and deploy these robots ahead of schedule, so they're ahead of their plan. They also saw tremendous growth in their daily active robots of nearly 120% versus the first quarter, and the daily supply hours by over 165% from Q1 to Q2. Compared to a year ago, their daily supply hours have increased by roughly 4.5 times. So they're working really hard to expand capacity, to expand availability. And you don't do that unless you have demand on the backside. And they do have demand. They highlighted revenue growth of nearly 60% quarter over quarter. Year over year, it's much larger. The company aims to offer these services, which restaurants absolutely love because it allows them to deliver at a time and a cost that's lower than having someone from, let's say, DoorDash or Uber Eats, a person to come with a car to pick it up and deliver to your house. That's a lot of resources going into delivering a burrito, right? You don't need a whole car to come and pick up one burrito and deliver it to a person's home. These robots are much smaller, more nimble, and less costly to utilize to deliver a burrito or a pizza or a burger to someone's home. If you lower the cost of a technology, if you lower the cost of a service, demand for that service will increase. And so restaurants are especially interested in this technology. And I've talked a lot about how companies like McDonald's can benefit from this technology, especially those low-cost providers in the restaurant, in the fast food industry can benefit from this technology because people will choose them more frequently when they want to eat, but they don't want to cook at home. Click the link below to watch the full video.